Plan your visit, navigating the 7-week Cableway Shutdown in 2024 in Cape Town, South Africa. In the heart of Cape Town, South Africa, Table Mountain stands as an iconic natural wonder, offering breathtaking views and a diverse range of hiking trails that cater to both seasoned adventurers and casual explorers. However, as with any natural phenomenon, maintenance is crucial to preserving its splendor and ensuring safety for all who visit. In 2024, the Table Mountain Aerial Cableway Company has announced a scheduled 7-week closure for its annual maintenance shutdown. This closure, while temporarily limiting access to the summit via the cableway, presents a unique opportunity to discover alternative routes and trails that showcase Table Mountain's rugged beauty and rich biodiversity. Understanding the closure. The cableway's annual maintenance shutdown is a necessary measure to ensure the safety and operational efficiency of the cable cars. Scheduled for 7 weeks, the closure will impact access to and from the summit from insert dates here. During this period, visitors will need to explore alternative hiking routes to reach Table Mountain's iconic viewpoints and enjoy its natural splendor.